Hi, my name's Ben with Heirloom Roses. I'm sitting here in a field full of newly potted plants. These young plants were just potted up in April outside here in Oregon, where all of Oregon this time of year is like a greenhouse. It's warm, it's sunny, and now throughout the summer these plants can grow outside and thrive. What you need to know that's unique about Heirloom Roses is that we don't just have one crop of roses per year. We have multiple crops of roses. So we're always transplanting and growing new plants. And later this summer we'll have a crop, and in the fall we'll have a crop, and sometimes even in the winter we'll pot up some roses. What that means for you is that you can always expect new roses coming back into stock. So when we have an out of stock on the website, we're gonna have more roses coming along soon. And so sign up with an email in the subscribe link there on the product page, and you'll get an email to your inbox telling you when those roses are back in stock and you can snap them up. For more information about growing roses and to shop for own root roses for your garden, visit us at heirloomroses.com.